So this is the things I have, but before that, I'm going to show you the one I really got in a big bag. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure some of you been messaging me in Facebook Messenger. They are waiting for my unboxing of the things that I got in Louis Vuitton last week. So there you go guys, finally got a chance to do this. So you can see I have a bag or box that I got in Louis Vuitton last week. Is the reason why, actually the reason why we went there is, if you remember, I will going to attach the link of my bag, the Alma baby bag, where when me and my husband got that bag, so for the overexcitement, we forgot, or they forgot to give us the box. So this is the reason why actually went there. So this is the bags. Yan, nilagay ko na yung aking bag sa loob. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. This is my Alma baby bag. Ayan. Yung binili namin ng asawa ko, nakalimutan nilang ibigay sa amin yung box. So, but don't lose hope. I got another one. Just stay there. Ayan. So that's the reason why. And John, I guess I got a lot of some people sending me a message on the messenger, and if you are going to open all my unboxing things regarding bags, I guess I already attached, or I already include the details of the price of those bags. But I got one question. Someone messaged me really how much the Alma baby bag in Kuwait. We got this in Kuwait, so that is 360 KD. That's the price guys, if you can see. Yan. So that's is 360 KD. You can convert that to dollars in peso. So that my unboxing of empty box. It's not an empty box anymore because my Alma baby bag is inside. But I'm going to show you the one I got. It's been long time I plan to buy this. We don't need it back there. I don't want to show my bag. But I get a small gift for myself. But this is the unboxing. Are you guys excited for the next unboxing? So here you go. I will show you my gift for myself. It's just a small thing. But of course the box is a little bit big. So I got what I got. Is it a surprise? No, it's not a surprise. So there you go guys. Just got busy for like yesterday, so I had to wait for one day to do this. And so I got Emily and ABB, a small leather piece of me. Then we are eating. Oops! What is that? So guys, as I said, once you buy something in Louis Vuitton, make sure that you have all the proper documents. Make sure that they will give you the receipt for the paper for the bag, or for any stuff that you're gonna buy. So just to make sure that you have the real one. Real one. We're talking about the real one, right? So this is what I got. Are you guys excited? will show you, or I will tell you the price of it. It's just if you can see inside, that's it. And slide any card there, money here, currency there. There's a coin things inside, and you can put like 4 cards. Your CB ID card, your bank card, your credit card, your insurance. That's it. So that's all. I think the most special or necessary things that you always have for yourself whenever you go out. So it's made in France. You can see it's made in France, and I think it's a leather. It's a smell leather, guys. I can see now it. I hope this will be a lucky wallet. You can put a card here too, and let's see. Nakikita niyo? Ayan, so it's worth more than $500. So sa peso, I think 160 today, 160 for 1 KD, 160 point something. We end up in cost, and I'll show you when I get to. So perfect. Right, unboxing of the box. So I hope you guys enjoy my video today, and see you on my other or next unboxing of what? Maybe channel, maybe Hermes. Oh my gosh, magkakaroon ng kagat ang asawa ko pagka Hermes yung video ko. Bye guys.